Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I'm doing the Eureka Math Grade 5 Module 2 Lesson 21 homework. So let's get started. Number 1, divide. Then check using multiplication. The first one is done for you. Alright, so we have 129 divided by 21. So I wrote that, and 21 goes 6 times into 129. So when we do 21 times 6, we get 126. So we subtract and get 3 left over, which means we have 6 remainder 3. We check our work by multiplying 21 and 6 together. We have to add our remainder at the end, and our numbers match up, so that means the answer is correct. So let's see, B, we have 158 divided by 37. How many times can 37 go into 158? Well, let's see. We know that 3 and 15. 3 can go around 5 times into 15. So if we try that, but that might be too big because 7 times 5 is 35. So we can try 4 times, which will give us 148. And we get 10 left over, so our answer is 4, remainder 10. Let's check our work. We have 37 times 4, that's 148. 148, add our remainder, plus 10 is 158. So 158 is our answer. 158 matches up with the number, so our answer is 4, remainder 10. It's correct. C, we have 261 divided by 49. C. So 261 divided by 49. How many times can 49 go into 261? 49 can round almost pretty much to 50. So we can think of it as 50. Well, we know 5 times 4 is 20. We're the 2 and 200. So let's see, we do 49 times 5 times. That will give us 245. So we subtract 10, 11 minus 5 is 6. We get 16. So our answer is 5, remainder is 16, since 49 can't go any more into 16. Let's check our work. 49 times 5 equals 245. And then 245 plus the remainder plus 16. 245 plus 16 is 261. So 261 matches the number, which means our answer is correct. Alright, so now let's look at D. We have 574 divided by 82. 574 divided by 82. So how many times can 82 go into 574? Well, we know that 8 and 57, 8 goes 7 times into 57. So let's see, if we try 7, 82 times 7 would be 574 exactly. Yeah. So then that will give us a remainder of 0. We can check our work. 82 times 7. 2 times 7 is 14. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 1 is 57. 574. So our answer would just be 7. Alright, next page. E, we have 464 divided by 58. 58 is almost 60, so we can think of it as 6. How many times can 6 go into the 46? So we know 6 times 7 is 42, so maybe we can try 7 times. So that'd be... But then what about 8? Because it's not really 60. So 58 times 8, we can try that. 8 times... 58 times 8, that'll actually be 464. So we subtract that, that's 0. So 8 remainder is 0. We don't even have to really write the remainder part. Let's check our work. 58 times 8 8 times 8 is 64. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 6 is 46. So our number matches up, so our answer really is 8. Alright, so for F, we have 640 divided by 79. 640 divided by 79. How many times can 79 go into 640? We can think of it as 80 almost. And 8 can go into 64 8 times. So this number, 79, can go 8 times into 64. Which will give us 600, let's see, 32. And if we subtract that, we have 8 left over, so our answer is 8 remainder 8. Now let's check our work. 79 times 8, and that would give us 632. And 632, add the remainder, plus 8, that's 640. So our answer matches up. That means our answer really is 8 remainder 8. Number 2. It takes Juan exactly 35 minutes by car to get to his grandmother's. The nearest parking area is a 4-minute walk from her apartment. One week, he realized that he spent 5 hours and 12 minutes traveling to her apartment and then back home. But how many round trips did he make to visit his grandmother? Let's see, let's calculate how, the fastest time it takes for one round trip. So first, just to get to the grandmother's house takes 35 minutes, but also the 4-minute walk. So 35 plus 4 is 39. So that's how much it takes to get to his grandmother's house. But we want to find out the round trip. A round trip is there and back. So 39 times 2, 9 times 2 is 18, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So a round trip would be 78 minutes long. So 1 week, he spent 5 hours and 12 minutes traveling to the apartment and back home. So we want to find out how many round trips did he make in that period of time. First thing we should do is convert 5 hours and 12 minutes into minutes. We know there are 60 minutes in an hour, so we do 5 hours times 60, which 5 times 6 is 30, and add the 0. That's 300, and then plus the 12, that's 312. So 312 minutes, how many 78-minute round trips did Juan make? So what we can do to find this out is 312 divided by 78. Alright, so let's see. 312 divided by 78. 78, how many times does it go into 312? Let's see, maybe 4 times, because 7 and 31. 7 can go 4 times and 31. So 78 times 4, that would just be 28 plus 32. That's 312. So we have 4 with a remainder of 0. So that means Juan, made 4 round trips. Alright, number 3 says how many 84s are in 672? How many 84s? So that means basically 672 divided by 84. 84, how many times can it go into 672? Well, 8 can go 8 times in 64, which is close to 67. So let's see. 8 times 84 times 8, that will give us 672. So they cancel out. That's 0. 8 remainder 0. That means there are 8 84s and 672. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!